Sanibona bafethu uphila lo. Today I want us to talk about the structure of the market and how to use it to your advantage and how to open more orders. Alright, asiqale sibheke i-support and resistance. If we get a support and resistance, we need to check ukuthi i-price iyaphi. Okay, now we have our support and resistance. So if we have our support and resistance, what is it that we're looking for? We're looking for the price ukuthi isuka ku support or isuka ku resistance, so that we can know ukuthi i-price iyaphi. And now when you buy according to the direction of the market. If one ukuthi i-price isuka la izala, you are not expected to sell until if you get a high price, right? So what is it that you have to do? You have to go back with a smaller time frame and look for good entries. You look for entries that will allow you to get in with zero float. So now, how to look for those entries? Okay, let's go to H4. On H4 we got this. Price, the more ikupu ends, I'm a pullback, as you can see. Look at this now. I'm expecting the price to come back here before a appears. Let's go to 1 hour. Sorry, this is what I'm talking about. Where is this? Okay, we're going to use Amalona because iPhone 7 today. Oh yeah, here we go. Good. Let's use these drawings. Look at this. Ubhekela ama pullback enzeke kanjani ne? Look at this. Benzani manje man. Where's my eraser? Alright. As you can see, the price ends in live one. It's first pullback. When you wait for this breakout. On this breakout ends agalela. I tell you from 1 hour, it break out here. We have to test the same breakout. For you to be safe on your side, what is it that you have to do? You have to wait. It's either you buy it here after this breakout. As you can see, my smaller time frame, we also test a lot. Might be for the second. Okay, let's say maybe you bought it here for the first time. You put your stop loss below. My boy was 2. You put your stop loss below again. You let it go. You haven't been for the first time. My hammer for the first time, it went up. Yeah, booyah again. Masi booyah, it was here. What do? You buy again. And after buying, where are you gonna put your stop loss? Below. Remember, so now how many orders open avlegile manje? So now 2 ama orders are 9. So my sugala. When we also test a breakout with this one, yeah, we also test. After testing here, you buy again. Izobuya lana, you break this. After breaking this, you buy again. Remember, when you don't just buy this breakout, you wait for a pullback. Sometimes it will be no pullback. Sometimes it will be a pullback. So you have to go to smaller time frame and check if there is any pullback. Once you see that there is a pullback, that's gonna happen or that had happened, you buy. You put your stop loss below. Guys, if you did not subscribe on my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe so that you can be able to see others videos that I'm yet gonna post. So look at this. By looking at this now, you know what the price is gonna do. The price is gonna come back here before it appears. Let's check on the smaller time frame, which is in the range. laptop ngiphathisa ikhanda. Oh, sorry. Okay, look at this on the smaller time frame. Already this breakout it is taking apart, not 100 is a we're back here before a couple. Don't forget to like and subscribe on my YouTube channel for more videos.